In this way, each snowflake is a natural weather log, recording the conditions of the sky as it fell. And despite the old saying, it's not impossible for two snowflakes to be nearly identical, it's just extremely rare. In 1988, a scientist in Wisconsin documented two flakes with matching patterns under a microscope. But their microscopic details like thickness and surface texture were still different. The saying holds because the odds are incredibly small. So the next time you see snow falling, remember each flake carries a frozen record of the sky's story that day. And at 20 degrees, winter is telling its most detailed chapter. A masterpiece so small it almost escapes our notice until we take the time to look closer.